is Nurafika binti Mamanase, and today I will be presenting about my personality test analysis. The purpose for this presentation is to explore my personality characteristics, identify my strengths and weaknesses, and understand how my personality traits can influence my future career development. For the introduction, personality plays an important role in understanding how individuals think, behave, communicate, and interact with others. Personality tests are useful tools because they help individuals to gain better self-awareness by identifying their characteristics, strengths, weaknesses, and behavioral patterns. Besides personality development, personality assessments are also important in career planning because they help individuals understand which working environment and job roles are more suitable for their personality. For an organizational perspective, personality tests can help managers to understand employee characteristics, work preference, and potential areas for development. In my case, I use the MBTI and B5 personality test to better understanding myself and how my personality can support my future career growth. Next, I will explain the importance of personality tests from two perspectives, which are individual and managers. For individuals, personality tests improve self-awareness because they allow people to understand about their own strengths, weaknesses, emotions, and behaviors. They also support career decision-making because understanding personal abilities and preferences can help individuals to choose careers that match their personality. Besides that, personality awareness can improve communication and relationship because individuals become more aware of differences between themselves and others. From a manager's perspective, personality tests can support employee selection by helping organizations identify candidates who fit specific job requirements. They are also useful for team building, employee development, and conflict management because managers can better understanding about different working style among employees. Next, personality traits desired by manager. In the workplace, managers usually look for employees who possess positive personality traits that can contribute to organizational success. The first trait is conscientiousness, where employees are responsible, organized, and goal-oriented. The second trait is agreeableness, which refers to employees who are cooperative, supportive, and able to work well with others. Openness is also important because employees who are creative and willing to accept change can contribute new ideas and innovation. Emotional stability helps employees to remain calm and professional during stressful situations. Lastly, extraversion is valuable because employees with good communication skills can participate actively in teamwork and workplace discussion. These traits are important because organizational needs employees who are not only skilled but also able to adapt and collaborate effectively. Based on my MBTI personality test, my result is ENTJA, which is also known as the commander personality type. The first trait is extraversion with a score of 61%. This indicates that I am comfortable communicating and working with others. The second trait is intuitive with 56%, which shows that I tend to focus on idea, possibility, and future opportunities. The third trait is thinking with 58%. This means that I usually prefer logical and objective decision-making when solving problems. The fourth trait is judging with 63%, which reflects my preference for planning, structure, and organizations. Lastly, assertive score 56% showing that I am generally confident and able to remain stable under pressure. Overall, this result shows that I have a personality that is focused on leadership, planning, and achieving goals. For my B5 personality test, the results show 5 main personality dimensions. My highest score is openness with 90%. This indicates that I am highly creative, curious, and open to exploring new ideas. My agreeableness score is 81%, which shows that I value cooperation and maintaining positive relationships with others. My conscientiousness score is 77%, which means that I am responsible, organized, and disciplined when completing tasks. My extraversion score is 16%, which suggests that I am comfortable with communication and teamwork. Lastly, my neuroticism score is 40%, indicating that I am generally emotionally stable and able to handle pressure. Overall, my personality profile shows that I am creative, responsible, collaborative, and adaptable. For my B5 personality test, the results show, based on the combination of my MBTI and B5 result, I identify several strengths that can support my professional development. First, I have strong leadership and decision-making skills. I am confident in taking initiative and organizing tasks efficiently. Second, I am creative and open-minded, which allow me to explore new ideas and find innovation solutions. Third, I'm responsible and organized. I can manage responsibility properly and complete tasks according to deadlines. Another strength is my communication and teamwork ability because I'm comfortable expressing ideas and maintaining positive relationship with others. Lastly, I'm able to remain calm during challenges, which help me to handle workplace pressure more effectively. Next, weaknesses and improvement strategy. Although I have several strengths, the personality test also helped me to identify some weaknesses that I need to improve. The first weakness is overthinking future plans. Sometimes I spend too much time analyzing possibilities. To overcome this, I need to focus more on present priorities and make decisions with greater confidence. The second weakness is impatient with slow progress. I need to understand that people have different working style and progress at different speed. Another weakness is to become restless with routine tasks. I can overcome this by finding creative approaches and continuously learning new skills. Besides that, I need to manage my perfectionist tendency by focusing on improving rather than always seeking perfect outcomes. Lastly, I need to improve my emotional expression by developing stronger emotional intelligence and empathy. Now, let's move to turning weaknesses into career opportunities. Although weaknesses can create challenges, they can also become opportunities for improvement. For example, my tendency to overthinking can be transformed into better decision-making skill when I learn to balance analysis with action. My perfectionistic tendency can become a strength because it encourages me to produce high-quality work while maintaining professional standards. Besides that, improving my emotional intelligence can help me to build stronger teamwork and leadership abilities. Therefore, by continuously improving myself, these weaknesses can become valuable qualities that are appreciated by organizations. Suitable career position. Based on my personality traits, strengths, and areas for improvement, several career positions are suitable for me. For example, human resource executive matches my personality because it requires communication skill, teamwork, and understanding people. Management trainee and project coordinator positions are also suitable because they require planning, leadership, and decision-making abilities. Marketing executive and business development executive roles match my creativity and openness to new ideas. In addition, positions such as training and development executive and corporate communication executive are suitable because they require communication skill and relationship building abilities. Overall, these career paths align with my personality characteristics and professional goals. Next, career goals and future development. For my future career development, my goal is to continuously improve myself and become a competent professional. In the first phase, I hope to deepen my expertise by expanding my technical skill and gaining practical working experience. In the second phase, I want to improve my emotional intelligence because effective professional needs not only technical abilities but also strong interpersonal skill. Finally, my long-term goal is to become a responsible leader who can contribute positively to organization and manage challenges effectively. I believe continuous learning and self-improvement are important to achieve long-term career success. In conclusion, personality tests provide valuable insight into understanding who I am, including my strengths, weaknesses, communication style, and suitable career direction. Through the MBTI MB5 personality assessment, I gain a clearer understanding of my personality characteristics and how they can influence my future career. Although I have certain weaknesses, I believe they can be improved through continuous learning, self-awareness, and practical experience. Ultimately, understanding my personality allows me to prepare myself to become a committed, adaptable, and valuable employee.